sideways.
do it sideways.
No, it doesn't matter. With either hand, you do your point massage preparation for your seasonal exercise, right? So you jump in here and jump in there several times to prepare this part of the channel that we're going to work with, right? So then, of course, you have your Qigong position as usual. And so you visualize beam of light getting straight into indentation of your breastbone and filling in all base of your neck. And then as you're progressing with your inhalation, you can see, you visualize the level of the leg is rising and going all the way up towards your mouth. And all dirty stuff is floating on top, right? So it goes like this. From here, beam of light entering. The level is rising, going through all your neck. Up here, all the dirty stuff is up here, floating on top. And then you go, pull your lower lip forward. And you burn all used energy down on the ground. And only then, after burning, you can start your new breath, right? Every single time you have to burn it. All right? Okay.
And how do you burn it?
Visualize.
Just visualizing it on fire?
Yes.
That's it.
Yes. Always candle.
Okay.
Remember? Yes.